Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Explore Fluency. I'm Lucy. Today we talk about something many learners struggle with. Many learners. How to remember English words forever. Never forget them, never lose them. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. You can listen carefully. You can repeat with me. You don't need to write notes. You don't need to study hard. Just listen. Just practice. Listening and repeating is already learning. Many learners say to me, Lucy, I learn new words today, but tomorrow I forget them. Next week, they're gone. Completely gone. I feel like my brain is broken. If this sounds like you, listen carefully. Your brain is not broken. Your brain is not the problem. You are not the problem. The way you practice is the problem. Today, I will teach you how to remember words forever. Really forever. We will practice together, right now, you and me. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with a simple question, a very important question. Why do we forget words? Why does this happen? Let me explain something very clearly. Very clearly. Your brain is not a computer, not a hard drive. Your brain is not a filing cabinet. You cannot just put words in and expect them to stay. That's not how memory works, not how it works at all. Your brain remembers things that are important, things that are useful, things that appear again and again, again and again. If you learn a word one time, just one time, your brain thinks, this is not important. I don't need this. So your brain deletes it, throws it away, gone. But if you see a word many times, if you hear it many times, if you use it many times, your brain thinks, oh, this is important. This appears a lot. I need to keep this. And your brain keeps it, stores it, remembers it. Let me say that again. Your brain remembers things that repeat, things that come back, things that are used. This is very important. This is very important. So the secret is not learning new words. The secret is meeting the same words again and again, many times, in different places, in different ways. This is normal. This is natural. This is how memory really works. Okay, now let me teach you the best method for remembering words. The best method. It's called shadowing. Let's understand this word, shadowing. A shadow follows you everywhere. It copies you. It moves when you move. It stops when you stop. It matches you exactly. Shadowing in language learning means you copy English immediately, right away. You hear a sentence, you repeat it. You hear words, you say them. You follow like a shadow. Match the sound, match the rhythm, match everything. This technique is incredibly powerful, incredibly effective. Why? Why does it work so well? Because shadowing does three things at the same time, three things together. First, you listen. Your ears hear English. Your brain receives input. Second, you speak. Your mouth moves. Your tongue practices. Your voice activates. Third, you remember. Your brain connects listening and speaking. This creates strong memory, very strong memory. Let me say that again. Shadowing connects your ears, your mouth, and your brain, all together, all working together. This is why words stick. This is why they stay. This is very important. This is very important. Now we will practice shadowing together. Right now, you and me. Let's practice. I will say a sentence. You repeat it immediately. Immediately. Don't think, don't translate, just copy my voice. Copy the sound. Ready? Let's practice. I practice English every day. Your turn. Say it with me. I practice English every day. Good. One more time. I practice English every day. Excellent. Do you feel it? Do you feel your mouth moving? That's learning. That's memory being built. Let's try another one. Learning new words takes time and patience. Repeat after me. Learning new words takes time and patience. Again. Learning new words takes time and patience. Beautiful. You're doing great. Really great. This is shadowing. This is how you practice. Every day, a few minutes. That's all you need. Okay, now let me give you 3 simple rules. 3 rules for remembering words forever. Forever. Listen carefully, very carefully. Rule number 1, repeat, repeat, repeat. Words need repetition, lots of repetition. You cannot learn a word one time and remember it. Impossible. Your brain needs to see it, hear it, use it many times, maybe 5 times, maybe 10 times, maybe 20 times. This is normal. This is natural. This is not a problem. This is how memory works. So, when you learn a new word, don't move on immediately. Don't rush. Stay with it. Repeat it 5 times. Say it out loud. Say it again tomorrow. Say it next week. Let the word come back, again and again. Let me say that again. Repetition is the mother of memory. Repetition builds memory. Repetition makes words permanent. This is very important. This is very important. Rule number 2, use words in context. Context means the situation, the sentence, the story around the word. Never learn words alone. Never learn lists. Lists don't work. Lists are boring. Lists are forgotten quickly. Always learn words in sentences, in real situations, in stories. For example, don't just learn the word exhausted. That's boring. That's weak. Instead, learn it like this. After working 10 hours, I felt completely exhausted. Now the word has life, has meaning, has a picture in your mind. You see someone tired after work. You understand. You remember. Let me give you another example. Don't learn nervous alone. Learn it like this. Before the exam, I felt nervous and couldn't sleep. Now you have a situation, a feeling, a story. Your brain remembers stories. Your brain remembers pictures. Your brain doesn't remember lists. This is how children learn. They don't study lists. They hear words in real life, in real situations. We must learn like children, naturally. Rule number 3, speak words out loud. This is so important, so important. Many learners only read, only listen, but they never speak. Their mouth never moves. This is a big mistake, big mistake. When you speak words out loud, something special happens. Your brain connects the sound to the meaning. The movement of your mouth creates memory, physical memory, body memory. Silent learning is weak. Speaking learning is strong, very strong. So every word you learn, say it. Say it 5 times. Say it in a sentence. Say it loud. Say it clear. Let your voice practice. Let your mouth remember. Let me say that again. Speaking creates memory. Speaking makes words stick. Speaking is necessary. This is very important. This is very important. Okay, my friends, now we practice together. Real practice, right now. I will give you useful sentences, common sentences, sentences you need every day. You will shadow me, copy me exactly. Ready? Don't think, just repeat, just follow. Sentence 1, I need more time to practice my English. Your turn. I need more time to practice my English. Again. I need more time to practice my English. Good. Feel the rhythm. Feel the flow. Sentence 2. Could you please speak more slowly? Repeat. Could you please speak more slowly? One more time. Could you please speak more slowly? Excellent. This is a very useful sentence. Very useful. Practice it many times. Sentence 3. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. Say it with me. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. Again. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. Beautiful. You're doing great. Really great. Sentence 4. Sometimes I feel frustrated when I make mistakes. Repeat after me. Sometimes I feel frustrated when I make mistakes. One more time. Sometimes I feel frustrated when I make mistakes. Perfect. This sentence is honest. It's real. Many learners feel this way. This is normal. Sentence 5. But I know that practice makes progress. Your turn. But I know that practice makes progress. Again. But I know that practice makes progress. Yes, practice makes progress. Not perfection, progress. This is what matters. Do you see what we're doing? We're not just learning words. We're practicing real English, useful English, English you can use today, tomorrow, every day. This is shadowing. This is how memory works. This is how words stick forever. Okay, now let me give you a simple plan, a very simple plan, a plan you can follow every day, every single day. First, find English you can understand. Podcasts like this one, simple videos, easy stories, English at your level. Not too easy, not too hard, just right. Second, listen carefully. Focus on the words. Focus on the sentences. Don't worry about understanding everything, just listen. Third, shadow immediately. Repeat what you hear. Copy the speaker. Match the sound. Match the rhythm. Don't stop. Don't think. Just repeat. Fourth, practice the same content many times. Don't listen once and move on. That's weak practice. Listen 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. Repeat until sentences feel natural, feel easy, feel automatic. Fifth, speak words out loud every day. Don't be silent. Don't be shy. Your voice needs practice. Your mouth needs movement. Even 5 minutes helps. 5 minutes of speaking is better than 1 hour of silent reading. Let me say this very clearly, very clearly. 5 minutes of active practice every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Much better. Consistency wins every time. You don't need long sessions. You don't need perfect time. You just need every day. Short and daily. That's the secret. This is normal. This is natural. This is how languages are really learned. My friends, let me speak to you directly now. Directly. Forgetting words is normal. Everyone forgets. Native speakers forget. Don't feel bad. Don't feel frustrated. Your brain is working perfectly, normally. The key is not never forgetting. The key is coming back, meeting words again, practicing again, repeating again. Words become permanent through repetition, through use, through time. Be patient with yourself. Be kind. You are learning. You are growing. You are improving. Every time you practice shadowing, you build memory. Every time you repeat, you get stronger. Every time you speak, you improve. Trust the process. Trust repetition. Trust your voice. You don't need expensive programs. You don't need special apps. You need this: listening, repeating, speaking, every day. That's how you never forget English words. That's how memory really works. Thank you for practicing with me today. Thank you for being here. I'm proud of you, really proud. Keep listening every day. Keep shadowing. Keep speaking. Your brain is building memory right now, even when you can't feel it. I'll see you in the next episode of Explore Fluency. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident. Always confident. Goodbye for now, my friends.